video. If you use Google Meet on your PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to enable access to microphone on Google Meet on your computer. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, then come to the top right here, click on this Google Apps, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is simply click on Meet. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this setting icon, and this is going to pop up. Right here, do you want people to hear you in the meeting? You can turn off your microphone at any time that you want. So for you to allow microphone, simply click on allow microphone. Then come to the top right here, allow while visiting the site. Then right here, you can choose the type of microphone you use. So if you have a custom microphone, you can simply select on that and choose any type of microphone right here. I'm going to simply choose on this. Then click on here and click on test the microphone. It's that simple. Microphone has been fully enabled. So from there, people can easily hear what you are saying in your Google Meet. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.